This is JBL Charge 4 portable Bluetooth speaker, and today in this video I am going to unboxing and short review. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So let's go to unboxing. In the box we get quick start guide and USB Type-C cable. And this is our black color JBL Charge 4. So at first talk about the build quality. JBL Charge 4 completely built with rubber, which feel very comfortable and premium, and the speaker has an IPX7, which means completely waterproof. JBL Charge 4 come with dual passive radiator, which deliver powerful, clear and loud sound. JBL Charge 4 powered by 7500 mAh battery and is provide up to 20-hour playtime. And you also use the JBL Charge 4 to charge your device. In the front we can get some button, power button, plus minus, play off and connector. As you can see, it comes with USB Type A, 3.5 audio port and charging port. JBL Charge 4 comes with Bluetooth version 4.2 and you can easily connect JBL to your smartphone by Bluetooth. And use JBL connector, plus you can connect more than 100 JBL speaker at the same time. So let's testing JBL Charge 4 sound quality. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.